va.
So it's like the people here. So, but yeah, of course, like Mingalaba and Jesuba, that is like the official language. Like the Burmese language, actually it's the Burmese language, but the people here, because in Myanmar we have like about 147 different ethnic group, and then every ethnic they have like their own language. In this Shan state, so like this uncle, he is Shan, so he don't understand like yeah, he doesn't understand like Mingalaba. That's why he told like Mingalaba. So the people here, so in the village, no one can speak English, just only like a few, 2 or 3 people, they can speak Burmese like Mingalaba and Jesuba. So most of them, they speak their own language. So the Shan language, so Mingalaba is Maisumka.
Maisumka.
Yeah, Maisumka is Mingalaba, and Jesuba, thank you, is Jumka.
What language do you speak? Do you the same from here?
Yeah, because I'm local, I'm half Shan and half Palong. Shan is also one ethnic, Palong is also one ethnic. So I speak like Shan, Palong, Burmese, and English. So this one is the mustard flowers. This is the mustard leaf. You see like here. So this is the mustard flowers. Like this. Now it's no smell. You can smell it. Yeah. But like this one, the local people, so they collect this one, these flowers. The local people, they collect it. And then after that, they let it dry, like about 3 days. They let it dry, and then after they dry, they roast it on a fire. They roast it on a fire, and then after that, put into the glass, and then pour the hot water. They can drink like a hot tea.
Really?
Yeah, like green tea. Very good flavor.
Okay.
And then good for like digesting. These flowers.
Et moi je vais boire de l'eau, donc si tu veux on peut boire de l'eau.
These flowers depends on the season. It can turn the color. So like this hot season, so the flower is like yellow pink color like this, orange color like this. But in the rainy season, it's a blue or white color. Can turn the color, and the smell is very good. You can smell it. It's smell like mint.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They should make
Smell
tea
like
with
mint.
Mais tu sais comment faire?
So this one is a kind of holy place. So like maybe you read you've been read about the festival of Myanmar. You know the water festival. Yeah, around the 2nd week of April we celebrate the water festival. It means like the Happy New Year of Myanmar. And then after we celebrate that, and then one monk, the monk from this village, he climb up, and then after that the people, and then he like they like sitting around here, and then after that they blessing, like the monk blessing, and then all the villager they blessing like for the village, like something like to be a good health, to be a good plant, like to protect from the enemy, like to protect from the evil. And then after that they pour the water to each other, and then they go back to home. And then like some young guys and like young boys, and then they stay here and then bring their traditional gong, the traditional drum, and then they wear their traditional dress, and then they celebrate and they dancing together here in the daytime. And then like this one in the middle, that spike one, it's mean like protect from the evil, protect from the enemy.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, can we have a break here?
Yes, of course we can.
Okay, have a break.
On a déjà monté 36 étages.
Il savait pas qu'il y avait de frappe, il avait le mec. Non, c'était sa folie, il était sur un nuage.
Yes, the yellow jacket.
There was one temple
Yeah.
that we could still
2011, 2012, in this place. So the local people they just planting like rice, and then flowers and seasonal fruits, and then other vegetables, just only for the home use, not for exporting. So they're planning that, and then 2015, 2016, Chinese they come to Myanmar, and then they like investing to Myanmar, and then start from there. So the Chinese, they buy like a lot of like pig, buffalo, and cows, and then all go to China. And then after that, they giving like this corn seed to the local people.
Okay.
The corn seed they selling back to the local people. In that time, till now, start from 2015, 2016, the price of the corn is high quality. It's high price. That's why most of the local people, they don't plant the rice anymore. They don't plant like the seasonal fruit anymore. They don't plant the flowers
plant
anymore.
only corn.
So they chop down all the trees they own. They chop down all the land they own. So that's why they're planting the corn like this. But now it's like deforestation like this. Last year, 2019, in China, so they have like disease in the pig. A lot of like thousands of millions of pig. They burn it and they bury it in the ground. That's why Chinese, they stop the corn. No more corn and no more corn. That's why the local people, they have no money. So this one, the people, they collect this one and then bring to home. You will see like here that the black one, if we touch, no, do not try to touch which one. Yeah. This one, when we touch this one, this black one, is very itchy.
Okay.
So this small spike one is very itchy. That's why the local people, they collect this and then bring to home. And then after that, they boil it into the hot water. Okay. And then after that, they take it off and they wash this one. And then of course they boil it. Otherwise, when we fold like this, can be break off. That's why they boil it and make it soft. And then after that, they dry it under the sun. After they washing all of this black one, they dry under the sun. After they dry it, they cut it. And then after that, they can make like a bamboo head like this one. Okay. This is made with bamboo. And then having like another kind with this one, with this leaf. And then we can use as a waterproof, this one.
How do you say hello?
Maisunka.
Maisunka?
Yes.
Okay. Maisunka.
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 Yes.
Come here.
I read it online, like if it was happening more. And I read online, they just said, oh, there's the river, go clean it. So,
Okay.
but she was with a guide, so she got to the hospital very quick.
Okay. When we...
Wow, look at this tree. Wow.
We are originally from Tibet, from Mongolia. We are like the Palang people. They are the first person who migrate down from Tibet, Mongolia, and the first person living in Myanmar. So it's like according to the science facts, like long time ago, Myanmar, it was ocean or sea. Long time ago, and then because like many years ago, and then like nowadays, and then it's moving like to other sides of the world. That's why it become a land. So like the Palang people, they migrate down from Tibet, Mongolia. The Mong Khmer people, they migrate down and they're living in here. That's why there are many mineral resources in Myanmar, and also sometimes we break down the rock and then we can see like a fish bone inside. Yeah, in Myanmar. So now it's like time for lunch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lunchtime is the best
Yes.
time, right?
Here we. Yeah, for lunch. Alright, 4 people in one table. Spicy, chili, and then this one is
for you.
yeah, this one is prawn crunchy. Prawn is very good. But I don't know, like this one is very delicious. I don't know the name in English. And then this brown color is the foundation dry mustard.
And this is the pasta? What is this, the white...
I don't know like this one in English. Sorry. But,
is it vegetable or...?
Yes, vegetables.
Okay.
Vegetables. And this one is a cabbage salad with a peanut and then onion and tomato. Yes, some more.
Spicy.
Spicy?
Oh, yeah.